What is Black Hat SEO? Black Hat SEO covers a wide range of practices that work to manipulate a site's search engine rankings. Since search engines tend to improve user experience by focusing on intent, value, and relevance, it makes sense to mislead backlash tactics. Simply put, the Black Hat type of SEO is all about tricking the search engines into giving your site a prominent position in the SERP, rather than working for it with quality content and site best practices. The most common types of Black Hat SEO: keyword link schemes, cleanup, hidden automated content, site manipulation, invisible text and links, clickbait. What is White Hat SEO? White Hat SEO stands for SEO tactics that follow and work according to the terms of search engines like Google. This type of SEO basically improves your search engine rankings on the search engine results page (SERP) while maintaining the integrity of the website and following the search engine terms and conditions. This is also called ethical SEO. This is done through organic link building, that is, through natural links to other sites. White Hat SEO techniques: good content, ease of navigation, site performance, quality, inbound links, have short URLs, optimizing images, use Google Search Console, submitting a sitemap to Google. Gray Hat SEO. The term gray hat SEO, however, is not easy to understand and is sometimes tossed in a bunch. SEO techniques labeled gray hat mean that sometimes they're okay, sometimes they're not okay, and more often than not they are just ignored because they are so confusing. Gray Hat SEO tactics: duplicate content, cloaking, paid links, social media automation.